What are we doing today?
Fishing.
Oh.
With Steve and Ross and Tad.
That's all we're doing?
We're just gonna fish. There may be a naked strip club boat deal later, but haven't decided. Feeling cute. Slow us, turn us.
I've been turning us. You want to run this?
No, I'm just saying.
Touch your face.
I'm just saying.
I'm just saying.
Slow turn me.
I'm just saying.
You're getting grumpy in your old age. Yeah. This one's staying down like a champ. Feeling cute, might net it.
You net it?
Yeah, I get it. When you're not catching fish in a boat, you talk about smoke shows and yoga chicks. But you
not
don't,
so hot chicks.
But when you're with your buddy of 20-some years, you talk about like what specific types because you don't feel awkward is what you're getting at. I understand. I mean, because there's a lot of times we're not catching. That's just what we're doing. We're talking about country reese, is it?
Yeah. You go to her Instagram and you're gonna like, I really don't want to look at this, but there's just some naughty stuff that keeps you there. Because you know, you get a couple beers in that girl, it's gonna be naughty time. Anywhere. Public naughty.
What does that mean?
Well, go there and look at it.
I'm not really sure, like, what are you speaking of, but... Boss Lady Reese?
Nope, Country Reese.
Country Reese.
Country Reese. Yeah, it's Country Reese. Yeah, see, you get a little bit of the bearded monkey.
Anyone 21 and under, please do not go to her webpage. It's not. It's not appropriate. Fish. Crank down on it. Yep. Got him. Light bite. Mini mite. Reminds me of you on a Snickers bar.
Years ago.
Yeah, no Snickers anymore.
No.
Still not big enough.
About the rate.
Still not big enough for a picture. We gotta go home. She's so fine. We hit her with the 9. Would have had a double, but Steve was too slow. Just thinking about Country Steve. Still not big enough for anything. Another one doesn't make the grade. Don't need this one. Ugh. It is like eerily quiet out here. Every conversation can be heard from about 20 boats. Lord. Feels like a good fish. Right on a waypoint. Every episode we just pick out an Instagram person, like randomly to talk about and follow.
Yeah.
And then we'll like, get a hold of them.
I just hashtag or whatever you do. I don't know what you do. I have no idea what you do.
I don't either. We're gonna have to find some. We're gonna have to find some younger generation to find out if we're gonna snap them or something.
Oh, it just came off.
Asshole.
Psych.
I wouldn't doubt it in your hands. I've seen that happen more. This is why you come out in March. All them other ones, it's all set up for this. That is why we get out in March for a pre-spawn certified donkey, grade A choice right there. Donkey. So we got like a lull here. We're swinging back on these fish, and seriously, everybody will ask me like, what do you talk about in the boat? And apparently it's Country Reese today. But these Instagram girls, so like how do you go about finding and following? And then, I mean, you know the stories, like they're dueling each other. It's very intriguing to me. Like Instagram girls are they're in the news.
They put everything out there. It's crazy. They put it out there for free. I just don't.
Well, I mean, is it for free? I mean, I'm sure they're monetizing it somehow.
I would not even have a clue how they would do that.
Do you think that, are you DMing some of these? Or what's
Never.
up?
I've never done that.
No? So that we've got like, so I don't think Country Reese is like trying to claim she's a fisherman.
No, she just likes the outdoors.
She's out, okay.
She's an outdoor girl.
So how do you feel about some of these
Trucks,
chicks?
beer, fishing, hunting, stuff like that. You know.
Yeah. So how do you feel about these Instagram girls that are, or whatever, YouTubers that are doing these fishing things, but they don't catch any fish? I mean,
I don't really follow that many of them.
Because there's the nipple rule?
Well, no, I just, that could come into effect, I guess, but I just don't, they're not putting any videos out that much on Instagram. But, I mean, some pictures are like, wow, she's not bad, and other pictures you're like, yeah.
I just feel dirty now. Wow. Baseball. That was you. That is so you though. Like I look at that and I go, that's Steve. The fact that you knew that, like, just like boom.
Country Reese.
Yeah, and like, I mean, the whole setup and like boom, boom, and I'm like, no.
Why wouldn't I? Move the flag finally.
I mean, you've been great today. I mean, you've been okay in your fish game.
Yeah.
I mean, you're better than most people that get boat, obviously.
Oh gosh, don't even get me started. 20-year pro.
20 years. But I gotta be honest, I still would rather have Reese up in here. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. You were right, and oh yeah, this is a little junior donkey right here. You can get to see a hand landing of the Vulcan death grip. It's like a 9-pounder, dude. That's pushing 10, I think. I mean, dude, when you do that, you just death grip. That fish, you called it at the beginning. You said that was a big donkey, and then he just swam right to the boat. It was kind of like Steve, it just half-ass effort.
Oh, I had any feelings, and I don't, so it really doesn't matter.
Donkey. He knew it from the start, but I didn't. We did slow down to 111, FYI.
Didn't we just catch a big fish?
I mean, I'm just whatever.
I'm just letting you know. Didn't we put fish in the boat you wanted?
I mean, I just feel like we need to
Bringing
bicker
it
some
up.
more. People always wonder, they're like, so what are you guys out like? What's it like out there with you guys? We're like a bunch of ex-wives. My water wife over here.
Yeah.
Bitch at each other, scream, yell, but it's all good at the end of the day. Go eat, drink a beer, it's all fine.
Yeah, we don't care.
Or he's really not even paying attention when we're eating because he's probably searching Country Reese's newest post or looking at her story.
Probably.
To be honest, did you think that fish got a lot smaller when you just swam with you to the boat?
No, I knew what it was doing.
Would you say that no matter what?
No.
I mean, me and you've been there before with this.
I know.
I've heard you like, oh, and then you make up. You've got really good excuses though, so I think it's just because of the frequency that you have to make them.
Exactly.
You are really good at them.
Very good.
This guy's got more bullshit than a Christmas goose.
Nah, he's got a good game. Outside board, yours. Have fun with that.
You're at a point in the day when you're just like, screw it, because we got to fish in the outside board. It's just too much work. We got to reel everything around. We caught them like just whacking and stacking all day. And now we're fighting over who has to reel the fish in. Steve does two things when he's in the boat. He's a horseshoe. And he tells us about the hot Instagram girls that's going to get you in trouble with the wife.
Some are not so hot.
Some are.
But they're naughty.
So
they're naughty.
So let's talk about this, because I've got a buddy that says like it's 2 points for naughtiness, or is it 3?
Point and a half. Point to point and a half. Depends upon the degree of naughtiness.
So that's like if you get a 7-pound walleye, it becomes like an 8.5, 9?
9 sometimes. It's naughty.
So on the scale, so we understand, because I think this is going to be an ongoing thing. We're going to try to get a hold of Country Reese. So be nice, because we may be talking with Country.
You're gonna talk to them.
Where
Cat is.
on a scale of 1 to 10 I mean, where is Country at? What's up?
I have not seen some of the pictures. She's at a 8.5 to a 9. Some of the other pictures, 6.5 to 7. Not being mean. I mean, just being honest.
double.
Whoa, double.
Actually, it's a triple. Outside board too.
Yeah, it's only
Triple. We start talking about horseshoes and country wreaths and sing that song, country. Back up. Tan land in 8s. Tan land in 8s. One of them days, Lake Erie. Great day in Lake Erie yet again. Great weather, great fishing, some marginal company. Make sure if you like this, subscribe to us. We're on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, bigwaterfishing.com. Check us out. We're bringing you hot content all year long.